Sup guys, your boy Rather Smooth back again with another reaction video, man. You know, without wasting time guys, it's the Monster Live Sessions, man. And we got volume 10 featuring Sash the Man, man. Unboxing crew, man. Unboxing. With that being said guys, roll the intro. We're back. Let's jump straight to it, guys. Hey. We live.
Kissing the sky, missing this mind, kissing the sky, this is the life.
This is the life, man.
S-A-S-H, motherfucker. Yeah.
Sash.
Feeling myself. Feeling, now I'm feeling myself.
Yeah.
Feeling
myself.
Tripping high, it morning, tripping, mind so stormy. Drink that Heineken and go down again. Man, I'm different from my stats. I'm a Batman from Rock Bottom. Better know my name, not for the fame. Can you see the same? Man, I'm famous. Throwing the lyrical miracle, man, I'm a syllable and I'm feeling myself. Greyhounds kids are back, top of the ninja whack. Ain't no ninjas in my squad, yeah. Rolling through that city, ain't no ninjas. Rip this bone, hit it so long, bitch gon' me alone. Cause I got a super long dome, bitch, sell a corporate, they need that. Homie, don't trip, just believe that. Take a cash back, swipe on my path. Y'all gon' feel my rap, yeah. Y'all gon' feel my rap, yeah. Feeling myself. Feeling myself. Feeling, now feeling myself. Feeling myself. Homeboys gonna make some noise. Monster Live 2017, motherfucker.
We live.
Let us fuck with you.
We live, man. Monster Production. Rather Smooth, subscribe. Rather Smooth, subscribe. Yeah, guys, you know what time it is, man. Sash the Man. I did one of his music videos. I think someone said he was dissing Fla. I don't know anything about that though. All I know is that music video was fire. Nice beat, nice sound, nice everything. Yeah, man, I didn't know he was this young. Well, this was back in 2017. It's almost 2019. Sash, we need more music, man. Cook something, man. Cook something. I'm waiting for you. With that being said, man, Rather Smooth, man. I'm out. Ha! Down.
100, boy, I promise I'ma get what's mine.